This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your subscription and signing into your Microsoft account. Once signed in, open Xbox. com/play or the Xbox app. Make sure your controller is paired and ready. Next, connect to a stable network. Prefer wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi with at least 10 Mbps to reduce latency. After that, enable cloud gaming if prompted so your account is registered. These first steps get you into the streaming. Once you pick a cloud-enabled game, hit play and wait for the stream to connect. This takes a few seconds. While it loads, pair your controller if needed and check input mapping. You can toggle stream quality in the app to balance visuals versus responsiveness. If you're on mobile, enable touch overlays only when necessary. Also, close bandwidth-heavy background apps on your network or device. Doing this reduces jitter and keeps input latency low so your session feels responsive. To finish, exit the game and close the app or browser tab. Your progress saves to the cloud automatically for supported titles. If you want the bigger screen, use Remote Play or cast to your TV and sign into the same Xbox account on the console. If performance is poor, troubleshoot. Run a speed test, move to 5 GHz or plug into Ethernet, restart your router, and repair the controller. This sequence fixes most lag and input issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.